Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad Puso and saging. First, select a fresh banana blossom, ideally around 500 grams. Carefully remove the dark, tough outer layers until you reach the tender, pale core. Slice this core thinly, then immediately soak the slices in a bowl of salted water with a splash of vinegar for about 30 minutes. This helps remove any bitterness and prevents discoloration. Next, drain the soaked banana blossom and transfer it to a pot of fresh boiling water. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes or until the slices are tender. Once cooked, drain the banana blossom thoroughly. It's crucial to squeeze out as much excess water as possible, as this prevents your salad from becoming watery and helps the dressing adhere better. Now let's prepare the flavorful dressing. In a separate bowl, combine 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a small pinch of sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Then, add your aromatics, minced garlic, finely chopped red onion, and a few bird's eye chilies for a kick. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly to create a balanced and vibrant dressing. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious salad. In a large bowl, gently combine the cooked and squeezed banana blossom with your freshly made dressing. Toss everything until the banana blossom is evenly coated. For an added layer of texture and flavor, garnish your salad with toasted coconut flakes or crunchy, chopped peanuts. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Serve chilled and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.